じゃあ皆さん。Today I would like to introduce the next grammar point for this chapter. So let's take a look at this space. It's our brand new room. 綺麗ですね。広いですね。でも、何もありませんね。ヒーターがありません。冷蔵庫がありません。机がありません。椅子がありません。電話がありません。テレビもありません。私は冷蔵庫が欲しいです。机が欲しいです。椅子が欲しいです。電話が欲しいです。This is our new form for this chapter. 欲しい。欲しい。The pattern is 私は何々が欲しいです。So I want something is the meaning. I want a blank. So we use this to talk about nouns that we want. So the conjugation, this 欲しい, it works like an E adjective. So 欲しいです is the regular short form. How can I say that I don't want something? Because this is an E adjective, I want to get rid of the E and put くないです。何々が欲しくないです。How about if I want to say I wanted something? 何々が欲しかったです。That past tense. 欲しかったです。How about if I wanted to say I didn't want something? I would use 欲しくなかったです。欲しくなかったです。The past tense negative. If you look at this conjugation and think it doesn't sound familiar or it looks confusing, you might want to review your E adjective conjugations from chapter 5 of the Genki book. So this 欲しい is for talking about a thing that we want. So it's a little bit different from the other way that we learned to say I want, the verb stem plus たいです. Do you remember what this verb stem plus たいです is used to talk about? It's verbs, right? So this is the things that you want to do. I want to do this. I want to do that. Whereas this 欲しいです is about like a physical item that you want. A physical thing that you want. Not an action that you want to do. So, 皆さん、ちょっと example. Let's look at some examples. いい感じの辞書が欲しいです。What do I want? That's right, I want a good kanji dictionary. How about this? 子供の時、ゴジラのおもちゃが欲しかったです。So this has 欲しかったです talking about my past, right? What am I saying? I wanted a Godzilla toy when I was a child. How about this one? お金はあんまり欲しくないです。So, 欲しくないです is about what I don't want. So, 欲しくないです I don't really want money. ですね。Let's look at the next one. 日本人の友達が欲しいです。What do I want? Japanese friends. 誕生日に何が欲しいですか? So this is a question. 誕生日に何が欲しいですか? What do you want for your birthday? That you could answer with お金が欲しいです。本が欲しいです。 音楽が欲しいです。車が欲しいです。Any object that you want. So let's try to practice. How can we say, I want a bicycle? Let's put together the sentence in Japanese. 自転車が欲しいです。Good job. Next one. How about this bag? カバンが欲しいです。Good job. How about this camera? カメラが欲しいです。That's it for how to use 欲しいです. Try the activities below to practice. And once again, if you are unsure about the E adjective conjugation, you should check with chapter 5 of your Genki book.